Welcome to Ethical Hacking Question and Answer with explanation of answers. Remember, every time pause the video and then answer the question. Check the right answer and then try to read the answer explanation to understand about the question and even about the answer. Question number 1. An organization decided to harden its security against web application and web server attacks. John, a security personnel in the organization, employed a security scanner to automate web application security testing and to guard the organization's web infrastructure against web application threats. Using that tool, he also wanted to detect XSS, directory transversal problems, fault injections, SQL injection, attempt to execute command, and several other attacks. Which of the following security scanners will help John perform the above task? A. Alien Vault, OSSIMTM. B. Sci-Hunt Hybrid. C. Sali Logic Analyzer. D. Cisco ASA. Pause the video and answer this question. The correct answer is B. Sci-Hunt Hybrid. Question number 1. Answer explanation. Answer number 1. Allen Vault, OSSIMTM. Alien Vault, OSSIMTM, offers a range of security features, including vulnerability assessment capability that can be utilized to automate web application security testing. It is equipped to detect various web application threats such as XSS, directory transversal problems, fault injection, SQL injection, and the command execution attempt, making it a suitable choice for John to answer the organization security against this task. Second choice, B. Sci-Hunt Hybrid. Sci-Hunt Hybrid is a specialized web application security scanner designed to identify vulnerability in web application. By utilizing this tool, John can automate the process of testing web application for security issues like XSS, directory transversal problem, fault injection, SQL injection, and the command executive attempt. This scan can effectively strengthen the organization defense against the web application threat. This also is correct, but it's the better than Alien Vault. Sali Logic Analyzer is a primary used for digital secret. Sali Logic Analyzer is primarily used for digital circuit analysis and debugging purposes, and it does not possess the capability required for web application security testing. It lacks the specific features needed to detect and mitigate web application threats like XSS, directory transversal problems, fault injection, SQL injection, and command execution attempt, making it unsuitable for John's security objective. So this is incorrect answer. Cisco ASA is a firewall and a VPN application that focuses on network security rather than web application testing. While it plays a crucial role in network protection, it does not have the specialized tool and the functionality necessary to conduct automated web application security testing or detect threats like XSS, directory transversal problem, fault injection, SQL injection, or a command execution attempt, John would need dedicated security scanner like Alien Vault or SSIMTN or Sci-Hat Hybrid for this purpose. So it's only these two, first and the second one, which are correct, but the better option, we can choose this Sci-Hat Hybrid for this scenario. Question number 2. What type of virus is most likely to remain undetected by antivirus software? A. Cavity virus. B. Macrovirus. C. Stealth virus. D. File extensions virus. Pause the video and answer this question. The correct answer is C. Stealth virus. Question number 2. Answer explanation. Answer number 1. Cavity viruses. A cavity virus is a type of virus that hides inside the body of file without changing the file's size or functionality. This stealthy behavior makes it difficult for antivirus software to detect the virus as it remains hidden within the file structure. So this cavity viruses is the wrong choice for this scenario. A macrovirus is a type of virus that infects files that are created using programs that contain macros such as Microsoft Word, Excel. While macroviruses can be harmful, they are more easily detected by antivirus software compared to other types of viruses due to the specific behavior. So macroviruses is not correct for this scenario. Answer number 3. A stealth viruses, which is a type of virus that actively hides its presence from antivirus software by intercepting and modifying system calls to cancel its activities. This type of virus is designed to evade detection and remain undetected for as long as possible, making it a significant challenge for antivirus program. So this stealth virus is the correct choice for this scenario. File extension virus, which is a type of virus that attaches itself to executable files by changing the file extension. While this type of virus can be harmful, it is more easily detected by antivirus software through file scanning and the signature-based detection method. This D is not the correct answer for this scenario. The only correct answer is the stealth virus. Question number 3. A group of hackers were roaming around a bank office building in a city. Driving a luxury car, they were using hacking tools on the laptop with the intention to find a 3-access wireless network. They were using hacking tools on the laptop with the intention to find a free access wireless network. What is the hacking process known as? A. Word driving. B. Spectrum analysis. C. Wireless sniffing. D. GPS mapping. Pause the video and answer this question. The correct answer is A. Word driving. Answer number 1. Word driving. Word driving is the process of driving around in a vehicle with a laptop or mobile device to detect and locate wireless networks, including open and unsecure networks, This process allows hackers to identify potential targets for unauthorized access. So word driving is the correct answer for this scenario. Spectrum analysis is the process of analyzing the frequency spectrum of a wireless signal to identify interference, noise, or other characteristics. It is not directly related to the act of driving around to find a free access wireless network. So this is not a correct choice for this scenario. Wireless sniffing. Wireless sniffing involves capturing and analyzing data packets transmitted over a wireless network. While it is a common technique used by hackers to intercept sensitive information, it is not specifically related to the act of driving around to find open wireless network. So wireless sniffing is not the correct option for this scenario. GPS mapping. GPS mapping is the process of using GPS technology to create maps or track locations. It is not related to act of driving around to locate free access wireless network as seen in the scenario described in the question. So GPS mapping is not the correct option for this scenario. The only correct option or correct answer is word driving. I thank you so much for your visiting. Hope you enjoyed this question and answer. And I remind you that we have some question and answer which can help you to prepare your test of ethical hacking version 11 and version 12. You can get this question and answer well explained, more question and answer, more explanation for the answers on Udemy. The link on description, you can check the link on description, then you can visit that place and see those questions and answer, and they are useful. They will help you to pass your test. Remember to click on subscribe. You can comment this video, you can share this video with your friend, you can like, and also remember the notification to be on so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos. I thank you for your support. Hope you subscribe for a good support. Thank you so much.